In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a demo account inside of MatchTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to matchtrader.com. Once you're logged in to your account, it should look something like this. And from here you'll need to go up to where it says live up here. Then from here you'll be able to add a new trading account. If you click on new trading account right here, then from here it should look something like this. Now from here you can add an account type where you can choose either trading account, challenge account, or competition account that you can choose from. You can also change the offer type from live to demo, and you can add the offer from MetaTrader demo right here. From here you can see the leverage will be 100, the currency will be USD, and the initial deposit will be $10,000. From here, once you are done, you'll need to click open new account, and then from here it should belong something like this. And as you can see up here, to prove that it is a demo account, it should say demo account right up here instead of live account like it did a couple of seconds ago. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!